Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please hit the subscribe button now. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is go to your Google Play Store and download the Google Clock. And then you get this dark themed app, which in my opinion is really cool compared to the Samsung app, which looks like this. Okay. And then you want to choose, what kind of music do you want to be played when the alarm goes off. So you get to choose from Spotify or you get to choose from the default sounds. You then define the routines itself. So you want to go here. And so what you see right here is a set of tasks that Google can do for you. And so Google can tell you about the weather, Google can tell you about reminders, Google can tell you about the news. It can, you can also define custom actions here. And so what I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to, set up my routine for the day. So I want Google to tell me about the weather, check that box. I want Google to tell me about the reminders, check that box. And I'm going to add a custom action here. So I love morning affirmations, morning prayer, tell yourself something positive on a daily basis. I'm going to choose this custom response. I'm just going to put in a text here. Now there is this beautiful prayer on YouTube, which I really love. And I'm just going to look for that. So it's called the Battle Ready Prayer on YouTube. There it is. So it's this one.
Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the Holy One of Israel, Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end.
I'm just going to pause that. Now, someone in the comment section was actually kind enough to transcribe the audio. So I'm just going to take a bit of the text here, say up to this point. Cool. Copy that. And I'm going to go back to Google Assistant routine and just paste that here. Okay, and then you had that. And also, I want the news to be read out to me just after my affirmations. And so the news you get to choose from several sources. Now, Google, I've done a very good job here because they provide you with numerous news channels that you can actually listen from. So we have this set up. So this is going to be my routine for the day. And one other thing I should note here is you can actually change the order. So in case you want your reminders to come before the weather, you can do that. If you want your weather to come before reminders, whichever way you want it, you can actually swap, the positions of those tasks. All right, so that is done. You save that. Yeah, so that is all set up. So in a minute from now, the alarm is going to be triggered. And then Google Assistant routine should kick in with my routine for the day. So right now we just wait.
Hello, we're sorry. It's 12:21 a.m. Right now in Harlem it's 6 degrees and clear. Friday, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 13 and a low of 6. Praises be to the God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob, the Holy One of Israel, Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I give you thanks and praise for your goodness, your mercy and your grace. Have a great day. Here's the latest news. From headlines from BBC News at 11:34 p.m. yesterday.
You're listening to the BBC.
All right, yeah, so that's it. That's how you can set up your routine for the day using Google Assistant routine and the Google Clock. If you have any other alternative application that you use for your morning routines, please let me know in the comment section and I'll appreciate that. See you in my next video. Bye.